Hey guys, how's it going? Hey, I just want to let you know a couple of quick little notes. I am on my old camera. Reason is GoPro. Back a couple days ago, I got a message saying, hey, we've got the latest update for your camera. All right, bingo, we'll go for it. I don't like updates because things happen. That's why I don't like doing them. So I go ahead and update it, and the camera update, my cell phone shows they tie together. I guess they pair up, and they're sitting there doing their daily thingies. Anyway, the phone goes and says it's complete, but also just prior to that, it says that when it's done, it's going to do like, I think it said 2 or 3 shut-off modes. You know, turn on, off, on, off, on, off. Okay, should be pretty good. Camera says, my phone said it's done, great, and it's going through that on-off mode. Well, guess what? It never stops going on-off. No. For a long time it didn't go. I don't know. I was going to say 30 minutes because I'm frustrated, but it's probably like 10 minutes. I went ahead and tried to turn my camera off. Camera does not shut off at all. Dope. So I go ahead and shut it, or I took the battery out of it, took the SIMS card out of it, put it back in, put it all back together again. Boom! Oh wow! All right, cool. We're not doing nothing. We're doing good. All of a sudden, light lights up. It's on, off, on, off, on, off, just like before. About that time, I like to throw the camera against the wall because I knew Tony knows never to update a damn thing. Well, Google it, and you see that they've known this for 5 months. That there's a problem. People have been mentioning about it for 5 months on YouTube that there's a problem. Well, there is a cure for it. If you're smart enough for it, you have to reinstall your old, which you came in on before. What's supposed to be, you're supposed to use a little hoodie, you plug it into it, and you transfer files around and do that hula hula dance. Guys, I know nothing about that dance. Okay, I don't dance. Kids are supposed to be up here in a couple of weeks and dropping off the kids. So he said that he's got the little plug-in dealie, and he said he'll take care of it. I said no problem. I told him to Google it. GoPro beeps, and that's when it after update. And guys, I know everybody's gonna say, "Hey, it's easy peasy." It ain't for me. I don't dance. So cameras puts aside. I'm back on my old, trusty old, what was it, Canon camera? Worked pretty good. It even focuses. Yes. All right, real quick. Another quick thing. I went to Walmart to go find the American flag. Guys, they don't have it in the front like they used to. Well, it wasn't the front. It was like in the middle of the store. They don't do it no more. I had to ask somebody, try to find somebody to ask. It was the hard part. Finally did get hold of this one guy. He said, for some reason, I remember something about this, and he looked it up. He goes, oh yeah, it's out back by the camera department. Remember that? I said camera department. And so I said, all right. So I headed over there, no big deal. I didn't know where it was at in that area. I thought it was weird, but okay. Went back there and I looked, couldn't find it nowhere. I looked and looked and looked. Didn't make sense. Camera department, American flag? Yeah, maybe. Videotapes? I don't know. Found a lady that works in that area, and I said, where's the cameras? She said, they're right over here. And we were actually in the aisle where they're at, and they were in the corner on where this Walmart is. The camera department's in the back. I think most of them are, but there's a wall back there, and it's a corner. It was tucked in this corner. I thought it was weird. You know, we need to fly our flags, need to sell our flags. Mr. Walmart was very high and proud in our country, and I'm pretty sure he was pretty proud of showing off and selling our flags. And now our flags are in the back corner of Walmart. I thought that was really weird, but I happened to they had one left, I grab it. All right. Still thinking, why would you do that? I don't understand. As I'm turning around to walk away, head to the register, and that's back in the carrying department area, this guy that I had talked to, not going to name his name, great guy, talked to him for a minute. He said, I remembered something about this, because he questioned, too, why are we putting the flag to the back of the store in a corner? And all he told me, and he looked at me, and he said, out of sight, out of mind. I was like dumbfounded, because I'm fully belief in our country, in our flag, everything, our Constitution, everything. I fully believe in it. Out of sight, of mind. I looked at him, and he kind of just nodded really quick once or twice. And I said, I understand, and I shook his hand. I said, thank you. Guys, I don't want to turn this into a rant. I'm not going to. But remember this, Walmart now, out of sight, out of mind. If you can't find the flags, go look in the back of the camera department, somewhere in there, and see where they're at. My display was literally in a corner. You couldn't see it because the other merchandise that was selling, and it wasn't they ain't trying to hide it, but the shelves were packed, and if you were 5 feet away from it, you would never have seen the flags. It's in like maybe I would give it 3-foot section they had for flags. Maybe, nah, I'm gonna go 2 foot, because there wasn't many flags in stock. So I'm just saying, search for your flags. I got a feeling it's gonna be harder to find flags, so if you need flags, better buy them up. All right, look, I'm going to go, and this isn't a rant, but I just thought you'd know about the flags and why. Maybe my video's quality may change a little bit, just the camera, and the kids will be here to, like 911, rescue me. All right, y'all have a great day. Have a great weekend. Have a great Easter. Thanks for watching. Bye.